How to enable or disable full screen mode in Chrome web browser. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable or disable full screen mode in your Chrome browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people who do not know what full screen mode in your Google Chrome looks like, this is what it looks like. This completely eradicates your upper section and the lower taskbar and gives you this full screen. Now you can change your tabs here, and yeah, that is basically what your full screen mode does. Now to enable this, what you'll need to do is simply tap on the F11 key. You have the F11 key that says home, or it might be something different written there, but just tap on the F11 key and you should be able to go to full screen mode. Now if that does not work, press on the Fn key plus the F11 key. Now after doing that, you will be on your full screen mode, and yeah, that is basically it guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.